Welcome back to Decor Designs, where we bring you the most inspiring and beautiful home ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a beautiful outdoor retreat but think your yard is just too small to have one? Well, I'm here to tell you that you're wrong. Gazebos aren't just for sprawling estates. With the right design and a little creativity, you can transform even the most limited of spaces into a stunning and functional outdoor haven. Today, we're going to explore the 10 best gazebo designs for small spaces, and I'll give you all the tips you need to make your small gazebo look absolutely beautiful. So, what exactly do we mean by a gazebo design for a small space? It's more than just a smaller version of a standard gazebo. It's about a purposeful design that maximizes every inch of a limited footprint. These gazebos are often designed with a keen eye for proportion, multifunctionality, and clever visual tricks to make the area feel larger. They might feature open-air designs to maintain sightlines, built-in seating to save space, or be strategically placed in a corner to create a cozy, defined zone without overwhelming the entire yard. The goal is to create a welcoming, beautiful structure that enhances your outdoor living experience, rather than one that dominates and crowds it. Even in a small yard, a gazebo offers a world of benefits. First and foremost, it creates a dedicated outdoor room. It defines a specific area for relaxation, dining, or entertaining, making your small yard feel more intentional and less like a leftover space. It provides much-needed shade from the sun and shelter from light rain, extending the time you can spend outdoors. Psychologically, it creates a focal point that draws the eye, turning a simple yard into a thoughtful and inviting landscape. A well-designed gazebo also offers a fantastic opportunity to increase your home's value and curb appeal, proving that great design is not limited by size. It's an investment in your lifestyle, providing a private sanctuary where you can unwind, entertain guests, or simply enjoy a quiet morning coffee. Decorating a small gazebo is all about making smart choices that enhance the space without cluttering it. Start with a cohesive theme. Whether it's rustic, modern, or tropical, a clear style will guide your decor decisions and create a harmonious look. Use multifunctional furniture like benches with hidden storage or small, stackable stools. Vertical elements are your best friend. Consider hanging plants, string lights, or sheer curtains to add height and a sense of enclosure without feeling cramped. Don't forget the power of textiles. Weatherproof pillows, throws, and a beautiful outdoor rug can add color, texture, and comfort. Finally, remember lighting. A combination of ambient lighting from a central fixture and accent lighting from string lights or lanterns can create a magical, intimate atmosphere that makes the space feel larger and more inviting after the sun goes down. What are the best items for a gazebo design for a small space? Here these the list to consider. First, compact, multifunctional furniture. Opt for bistro sets, small love seats, or benches with built-in storage to maximize seating without taking up valuable floor space. Second, outdoor rugs. A well-chosen rug can anchor the space, define the room, and add a pop of color or pattern. Third, sheer curtains or drapes. These can add a touch of elegance, provide a sense of privacy, and create a soft, romantic atmosphere without blocking light. Fourth, hanging plants and potted greens. Use vertical space to your advantage. Hanging baskets or climbing plants on the columns can bring life and color to the structure. Fifth, strategic lighting. String lights, lanterns, or a beautiful chandelier can transform the ambience and make the space usable and enchanting long after sunset. Sixth, built-in bar or countertop. If the gazebo is for entertaining, a small, built-in bar or counter along one side can be a game-changer, providing a spot for drinks and snacks without needing a large table. Seventh, outdoor speakers. Built-in or portable speakers can add to the entertainment value, creating the perfect mood for relaxation or a party. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best gazebo designs for small spaces to inspire you for your next project. 1. The elegant lakeside pavilion. This elevated gazebo design is a genius way to maximize a small space, especially one near water. The beautiful, slatted roof and dark wood railings give it a classic, elegant feel. The design is a perfect example of how to make a gazebo a destination, connecting it to the main yard via a beautiful wooden bridge over the pool. The lush, tropical plants surrounding the structure add to the resort-like ambience. 2. The modern minimalist retreat. This design features a sleek, minimalist structure with a dark metal frame and a warm wooden ceiling. The contrast creates a contemporary and inviting feel. The open sides maintain a sense of airiness, while the simple, elegant seating area is perfectly proportioned for a small space. Lush, well-maintained landscaping and a simple water feature add to the serene, sophisticated vibe, proving that modern design can be just as comfortable as it is stylish. 3. The golfer's paradise. This design shows how to create a multifunctional oasis in a small yard. A modern, covered patio with a cozy seating area and an outdoor fireplace is seamlessly connected to a compact putting green. The linear pergola design and simple, clean lines keep the space feeling open and organized. This is the perfect example of how a gazebo can serve as a central hub for relaxation and fun, even in a limited area. 4. The backyard bar and grill. Who says a small space can't be an entertainer's paradise? This design seamlessly integrates a beautiful covered bar and grill area into a small yard. The classic A-frame roof and stone pillars give it a timeless look, while the built-in bar with comfortable stools creates a perfect social hub. It's a brilliant example of how to make a small gazebo a highly functional and social space, complete with a TV and fireplace for year-round enjoyment. 5. The grand backyard retreat. This larger-scale design shows how a well-proportioned gazebo can still fit beautifully into a yard, serving as the central point of a backyard oasis. The symmetrical design features two covered areas with a beautiful open-air space in the middle, creating a flow between a relaxing lounge and a more active cooking area. The metal roof and stone pillars give it a durable, sophisticated feel, while the adjacent pool and natural surroundings make it a true luxury retreat. 6. The tropical island gazebo. Bring the feeling of a tropical getaway to your backyard with this stunning gazebo. The thatched roof and natural wood frame immediately evoke a sense of a lush, exotic retreat. The gentle, billowy curtains offer a touch of privacy and a soft, romantic feel, while the surrounding greenery and small pond create a serene and secluded atmosphere. This design is perfect for creating a cozy, intimate escape. 7. The charming garden gazebo. For those who love a classic, timeless look, this white hexagonal gazebo is a dream. Positioned as a focal point in a lush flower garden, it provides a quiet, serene spot for reflection or conversation. The intricate woodwork and open design make it feel light and airy, while the surrounding vibrant flowers and greenery create a whimsical, romantic atmosphere. This is a perfect example of how to make a small gazebo a beautiful feature of a garden. 8. The rustic and cozy gathering spot. This gazebo is all about warmth and comfort. The exposed wood beams and stone fireplace create a rustic and inviting atmosphere. The low-slung, comfortable outdoor furniture and string lights make it a perfect spot for evening gatherings. This design demonstrates how a small gazebo can be a cozy, intimate space that feels both sheltered and connected to nature. It's a masterclass in creating ambience. 9. The alfresco dining and cooking hub. This design is a fantastic solution for those who love to entertain outdoors. The large, covered space offers ample room for a dining table and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and grill area. The sturdy wooden frame and classic shingled roof give it a traditional, homey feel. The built-in stone bench seating maximizes the space, making it a perfect spot for family dinners or a summer barbecue. 10. The ultimate outdoor cinema. This gazebo design turns a small backyard into an entertainment destination. The thatched roof and wooden structure create a warm, tropical feel, perfect for a poolside lounge. What makes this design so clever is the large screen integrated into the back wall, turning the space into an outdoor cinema. The comfortable seating and fire pit create a cozy, luxurious setting for movie nights under the stars. And there you have it, 10 amazing gazebo designs that prove you don't need a huge yard to create an incredible outdoor space. From cozy nooks to entertaining hubs, there's a perfect design for every small space and every lifestyle. We hope this video has given you some fantastic ideas for your own backyard. Which of these designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're planning your own gazebo project, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspiration, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.